Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve compliance standards with Box, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current compliance standards. Identify the specific regulations and guidelines relevant to your industry. Gather a team of key stakeholders from different departments. Schedule a kickoff meeting to discuss compliance objectives. Outline the specific areas that need improvement. Research Box's compliance features that align with your regulatory needs. Review Box's data protection policies and security certifications. Integrate Box with your existing compliance tools and software. Create a centralized compliance documentation system in Box. Set up user permissions to ensure sensitive information is protected. Develop a training program for employees on using Box for compliance. Provide resources and guides to help users navigate the platform. Establish clear protocols for data management and sharing on Box. Regularly update the compliance documentation as regulations change. Monitor user activity and compliance within Box through reporting tools. Conduct periodic audits to ensure ongoing adherence to compliance standards. Gather feedback from users to identify areas for further improvement. Finally, make adjustments based on the feedback and audit results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.